Hey, what's going on, man? It's your boy Kitty, and this is how I made $0 today day trading, okay? I did not take a trade. There was government shutdown, and there was really no news. So I'll show you kind of market analysis, but hey, let me know if y'all boys liking this new 4K webcam. No, for real. So this is what I seen today. So hold up. And then we just need to hold up. Perfect. And then bam. Okay. This is what we need. Now this, okay. Yeah, this is trim. This is trim, bubs. Okay. So we come on the 4 hour. What this is bar replay, guys. Don't worry about none of this. Look at that. Entry, exit, entry. Where's the exit? What the fuck, bro? Oh no, I definitely entered here, exited here. What am I doing, dude? Entered here. What? I don't think this was me. No, I'm still, I don't know. Anyways, guys, let's just jump right into it. So we have market open right here. I know this is a lot to digest for you guys, but first, let's check out the daily. I always do a top-down analysis of what we are looking like, okay? So we can see, I know there's a lot on my screen right now, but we have this big candle down, this big Drake BBC candle coming down, taking out liquidity. I want the microphone to be, you know what, I might just keep it like this because I don't like having the microphone in the thing, but it's like, you know what, let me just turn it up a slight bit. There we go. So then now it should be like, I just want it to be really crisp, and I want the audio. I really just enjoy making a perfect fucking video. You know what I mean? But anyways, we have this big Drake candle here that takes out pretty much a lot of these sell side liquidity levels, okay, on this bullish uptrend that we see here. Bam. Dick down through it. All right. That's the first thing. On the 4 hour, okay, we have EQ of this move right here is right under this hour bearish gap, okay? And then we come down, we tap into it, and now we're kind of just chopping a little bit on the higher time frame. So then we come to the 1 hour, okay? What do we see? We have this taking out liquidity here. We have this 4 hour bullish gap that we tap into and then move higher after we tap into this hourly bearish gap, move down, and then I'm like, fuck, we're about to just play in between these two gaps. But a trade did form, okay? A trade did form. I just did not take anything, okay? Now let's go to our 15-minute, all right? This right here, this vertical line right here is market open, okay? Okay, guys, this is market open. This is when New York Stock Exchange opens for the day, okay? Until, yeah, perfect. Don't need to get into that. But what do we see? Okay, we see it tap into this bearish gap, okay? So that's why I really wasn't looking for anything. I first was kind of looking for shorts down to either this gap or these lows, but I kind of did not think that we were going to continue dumping with the higher time frames hold a little bit higher power. So this 4 hour is going to hold a little bit better than this 1 hour, it depends from what we see, from what I've seen in the market. That was what happened. So let's continue. Okay, we come down. After taking out buy side, we come in, tap into this 4 hour bullish. We put in a SMT between the indexes. NASDAQ comes up and takes this high bullish SMT. So I know that if I am going to be looking for longs, I'm going to be looking for longs on NASDAQ, okay? And on the S&P, we get it to the 1 hour. Now, we took out the SMT by this time, but there was the SMT. Now, on the 15-minute, now we can scale to the 5-minute. And what do we see? Okay. Okay. So, market just opened. We see this gap kind of ran through it, taps into it, and then completely runs through it. To tap into this gap, we see internal manipulation of these 5-minute lows. Bam, after SMT gets put in, after sweeping a huge amount of sell-side liquidity. Dude, fuck off. And then, dude, is it dead ass? Like, I can't even record a fucking video, bro. Oh my god. Like, oh my actual fucking god, bro. Yeah, 12 fucking %, and it's just gonna fucking die on me. Like, bro, god damn. This fucking laptop makes me so pissed. Okay, so I'm just gonna make it short and fucking sweet, I guess, but because we can't make any kind of fucking video, so I'm just gonna have to go fast as fucking fuck. Okay, so then once I seen this, we're rejecting off this 4-hour bullish gap. I know we're gonna move higher. We manipulated these lows. We put in a bullish SMT. We've swept sell side. We came up to take buy side to then sweep sell side to then continue moving higher. So now we go to the 1 minute and we look for an entry. Okay, bam, right here is a 1 minute break of structure to the upside, and then bam, what do we see? We say a 1 minute fair value gap get formed, tapped into, first TP at these previous day New York highs, please, not even close. That was London. This is London, fucking 9 o'clock at night. That's Tuffy. No, it's not. This is literally pre-market, fucking, what am I saying, dude? That's like the one thing that I always struggled with, is knowing where the fucking the sessions are. I literally have it written down, and it just, bro, these sticky notes I have are so shitty, like they just fall off every time. Look, I have a sticky note of the sessions, and then they're just gone. But anyways, okay, so what do we see? We break structure on the 1 minute, okay, and normally a 5 minute break of structure would have been all the way up here, but after we tap into this, we have this bullish gap getting tapped into a bullish SMT, okay. We scale down to the 1 minute. We see a 1 minute break of structure right here. When this candle closes above this high, we see candle closure above that. Then we have this bearish gap, okay, this 5 minute bearish gap that we completely run through. Just displace right through.